Are you ready to blast off into 2025 with a strategy that actually gets executed? Stick around. I'm about to give you a proven recipe to get you off to a rocket start. Welcome to Unlok Strategy Hack number 8. Now, too many professionals spend hours and hours planning their practice development strategies, but never execute any of them. Plans unexecuted. The B.L.A.S.T acronym that I'm about to share with you helps you move from thinking to doing with 5 key insights. Business mastery. Law is a business, not just a profession. Success isn't just about legal skills. It's about profitability, pricing and client acquisition and retention. Own your role as a business owner, and why don't you decide to don the hat of an entrepreneur and think about what customer pain you are solving and how you can do that more profitably. L, leverage your non-billable time. Spending 100% of your time on billable work means neglecting the building of future revenues. Non-billable time should be used as an investment for building client relationships, crafting your strategy, and business development itself. A, avoid the billable hour trap. Clients don't want to pay for your time spent. They want good service fast and will happily pay for outcomes. S, strategic execution, not tactical wheel spinning. Strategy without execution is just a document collecting dust. So break down those big plans into small actionable steps and track them consistently. And of course, you need a system of accountability that bridges the gap between planning or your commitment and execution. Lastly, T, turn ideas into action. Take one idea and implement it consistently. There is a mountain full of unexecuted plans and ideas. And unless you're committed to execute your idea, don't waste time creating expectations about how you plan on changing your firm's fortunes. It's about accountability, tracking, and taking small, consistent steps every single day. Now, let's recap. First, business mastery, not just practicing law. Second, leveraging your non-billable time as an investment. Third, avoid the billable hour trap and think laterally. Fourth, strategic execution means focusing on not only what's urgent, but also what's important. And number 5, turning ideas into action by crafting executable plans. Now that you have the B.L.A.S.T framework, it's time to take action. Which one principle do you need to focus on first? Pick any one of these, but just start today. Reach out if you get stuck and if you're serious about execution. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my next videos. Let's make 2025 the year that you stop planning and start executing. See you around.